Imagine this. Your hands are busy cooking, working out, or driving, and your phone starts ringing. Instead of missing important calls, your iPhone has a hidden option that allows automatic answering. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate it so you never have to worry about missed calls again. Watch until the end to see how this feature can make your daily life easier. Here's how. First, go to the home screen, find the Settings app, and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and look for the Accessibility option. Tap on it to open. After opening the Accessibility menu, scroll down again and, under the Physical and Motor section, find the Touch option and tap on it. Once the Touch settings open, you'll see several options. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you'll find the option called Call Audio Routing. Tap on it to access additional call settings. Next, when you reach the section, tap on Auto Answer Calls. Finally, tap on the switch to enable auto answer calls. Once activated, a new setting will appear, allowing you to set the time interval after which the call will be automatically answered. Choose the desired number of seconds, and your iPhone will start answering calls automatically after the selected time, without you having to touch the screen. When your phone rings, after the specified number of seconds, the call will be answered on its own, allowing you to talk right away, even if your hands are busy. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel, MobiTechStar, for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.